And action. Right. Welcome back, folks. He's unboxing again. I see Fumbo in the place. What we have here? And the crowd goes crazy. We're sipping beer. Traditional. And the other thing. Of course, I'm allowed to show. Don't try this out. Yeah, let's tear into this box, people. Copyright, I'm sorry. If you know, you know, innit? If you know, you know. Bum, bum, bum. Y'all not allowed to see this paper. Are you really ready though? FTX Outback Mini. What you say? Nice looking. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? 124 scale. There we go. 124 scale. 4-wheel drive. Fully proportional. You know it, got ready. Hobby grade, please. Nice. Whoa. Alright, sorry folks, I'm gonna show you the back of the box. It's a nice box. Colorful. I don't know if it's more detailed than the Mini J's box. That's the banggood version of this thing. But underneath, it's the same. Apparently. Nobody else in it. Nice looking, nice looking, nice looking color. I like the color. Nice packaging. Body looks crispy. Crispy clean. Mint. Yes, you're right. Mint. Shiny looking. Spare tire in there screwed in. Nice soft tires. Beadlock wheels. You know. Let's get it out. That's what she said. FTX Outback Mini 124 scale. Manual. USB charger. Wheel wrench. Hold on. Right. One screwdriver. So on and so forth. Nice looking package so far. No extra battery. Transmitter. Very same transmitter as we see with the Mini J, the banggood version of this truck. Again. Foamy. Detachable. Batteries inside here. 4 AAAs. So your AAAs go in here. 2 up, 2 down. Put the cover back on like that. That's it. Ready? Now the goods. The goods. Plastic drivetrain. But it's all good. Everything is upgradable here. Nice truck. I get some running footage for you sometime soon. Check it out. It's on Amazon as well. Yeah, and I bought it with my own cheddar, so no, it's not really a promotional thing. So, bye bye. Thanks for watching.